Are you worried that your crypto wealth could be stolen in a hack? You're not alone. Many investors fear losing everything. But what if I told you that you can protect your wealth from hackers and scammers? Today, I'll show you 3 essential tips to safeguard your crypto investments. Stay tuned for an extra tip at the end, miss it, and it could cost you a lot. Crypto security is more than just a password, it's about using multiple layers of protection. In this video, I'll break down the essential tools and practices that can help you protect your crypto from the most common threats. By the end, you'll feel confident about securing your investments and outsmarting hackers. Crypto security means protecting your digital assets from theft, hacks, and fraud. Unlike traditional banking systems, crypto transactions cannot be reversed, making them an easy target for criminals. That's why safeguarding your wealth is so important. When you own crypto, you're in charge. There's no bank to help you recover stolen funds. With the right tools and practices, you can safeguard your investments and minimize the risks. It's all about using the right defenses. Hackers target exchanges and wallets, phishing scams try to steal your private keys, and fake projects can trick you into losing money. These threats are real, but don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to defend against them. The first step in protecting your crypto is choosing the right wallet. Hot wallets are convenient but more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets, are offline and offer much higher security. If you have a significant amount of crypto, a cold wallet is essential. For maximum security, I recommend hardware wallets like the BitBox02 for Bitcoin, or the Elipal Titan for multiple cryptocurrencies. These wallets store your private keys offline, making it much harder for hackers to access your funds. Phishing is a common method used by scammers to steal your personal information. Always verify the sender's address, avoid clicking on suspicious links, and never share your private keys or seed phrases. Using two-factor authentication, 2FA, can help protect your accounts from unauthorized access. When choosing a crypto platform, ensure it offers 2FA, cold storage for assets, and transparency in security protocols. Trusted platforms like Coinbase and Binance prioritize your security, helping you trade safely. That's it for today's tips. Now you know how to protect your crypto from the most common threats. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss more valuable security tips. Stay safe, and secure your wealth.